So, my dear students, our next topic is inferior goods. Okay, so what is inferior goods? Inferior goods are those goods whose demand decreases with an increase in income of the consumer, and demand increases with an decrease in income of the consumer. Okay, so demand increases with an what decrease in income of the consumer, and demand decreases with an increase in income of the consumer. Okay, means there is inverse relationship or indirect relationship between the income and the demand. Okay, means when your income increases, demand for that particular commodity falls, and when your income decreases, demand for that particular commodity will increase. Okay, just keep one thing in your mind, that inferior goods are also different for the different sections of the society. Okay, for poorer section, inferior goods are different, and for the richer sections of the society, it is different. Okay, so it is inferior goods actually vary from individual to individual, from person to person. Okay, as it depends on their choice. Just take one example, that for me, everyday milk is more superior good as compared to Amul spray. Okay, and Amul spray is inferior good for me. So, my dear students, when my income increases, the demand for Amul spray for me will fall. Okay, and just take another example, that Fortune refined oil is more superior as compared to Best Choice refined oil. Okay, so for me, Fortune is far more better as compared to Best Choice oil. Okay, so when my income increases, I will go for what? Fortune refined oil. Okay, but when my income decreases, the demand for inferior good. So which one is inferior good for me? Best Choice. So the demand for Best Choice will increase when my income decreases. But when my income increases, the demand for Best Choice refined oil will decrease. Okay, so this is what inferior goods. Okay, inferior goods actually shows inverse relationship between the demand and income of the consumer. Okay, so inferior goods are actually different for the different sections of the society. For the poorer section, inferior goods are different, and for the richer section, inferior goods are different. Okay, so as it depends on their choice, and also different from person to person. And for you people, inferior goods are different. Okay, and for other it is different. So inferior goods vary from person to person, as it depends on the income of the consumer, Okay, so this is what inferior goods. So this question may come for 1 marks in your final exam. Okay, or it may also come in your internal exam for 1 marks. Okay, thank you.